Hello and welcome to this gentle yoga routine for beginners. In this practice, we'll be focusing on stretching the upper body to release tension that may be stored in the shoulders and upper back for day 2 of the 30 days of yoga for beginners. When you're ready, we'll begin in child's pose. If you know that you have sensitive knees, you might want to place a blanket underneath them. Then keep the big toes touching, open your knees wide, and walk the hands forward to lower down into child's pose, resting the forehead on the mat. And we'll take the first few breaths here to relax and soften into position. No need to force anything. Just focus on your inhale and your exhale. Then we'll come back to our Ujjayi breathing, creating that slight restriction at the back of the throat to create an oceanic sounding breath. Inhale through your nose and exhale through your nose. Keep the breath steady and focus on the sound of the breath. Staying in child's pose, walk your hands over to the right side of the mat. So we find a side stretch down the left side of the body. You can place the left hand on top of the right here. And see if you can feel a stretch down the left side of your torso and along the left arm. Pause and come back to your breath. Then walk the hands over to the left side of the mat. So we find a stretch down the right side of the torso. And you can place your right hand on top of your left. And see if you can feel a stretching sensation along the right side of your body and your arm. Walk the hands back through center. And we'll come up into tabletop, our hands and knees position with the shoulders over the wrists and the hips over the knees. And start to move in a circle to warm up the wrist, just very gently going a few times in one direction. And then in the other direction. Then coming back into tabletop. With your inhale, reach the right arm up and turn your chest open. As you exhale, thread the right arm under the left. Lower the shoulder and the side of your face down to the mat. And you can either keep the left hand close to you for support, or you can reach it towards the top of the mat. And as best you can, try to relax into position. Let the mat support you and come back to your Ujjayi breathing. Come back to tabletop. stacking the shoulders over the wrists. With your next breath in, reach the left arm up and turn your chest open. And as you breathe out, thread the left arm under the right. Lower the shoulder and the side of your face down to the mat for support. And you can either keep your right hand where it is, or you could reach it forward. Then as best you can, relax into position, into the support of your mat, and deepen your breath. Come back to tabletop. Then bend your elbows, lower your chest and your chin down to the mat. Then slide the chest forward to come and lie down on your belly. Reach the right arm out to the right side and roll onto the right side of your body, stacking the legs, resting the head on the mat. This might already be enough for the right shoulder. If so, stay here. If you'd like to take this a little bit further, bend the left leg and place the foot behind you so that you can roll a little bit more of your weight onto the right shoulder. Then without forcing anything, pause here and come back to a steady breath. Roll back onto your belly, and then reach the left arm out to the left side and roll onto the left side of your body. Rest the head on the mat so the neck can relax. If this feels like it's enough for the left shoulder, stay here. If you'd like to take it further, bend the right leg and place the foot behind you so that you can roll a little bit more weight onto the left side. Then pause and continue to deepen your breath. Without forcing the pose, just be where you are. And if it helps you to concentrate, you could always close your eyes. Roll back onto your belly and press up into tabletop. Keep the hips over the knees here and walk the hands forward. You can find a little bend in the elbows as you let the chest sink down. It can help to tip the pelvis forward as you sink the chest down. Then you can tuck your chin into your chest and rest the forehead on the mat as we find puppy pose. And the aim here is to sink the chest into the ground. And slowly let the chest open. You may also feel this in the upper back and the shoulders. Continue to deepen your breath as we pause here. Lift the chest. Then bring your hands in toward you for support. And then come and lie down on your back. As you lie down, bend the knees, rest the feet on the mat, and open your arms into a T shape. Then gently knock the knees from side to side, coming into a twist on each side. You could do this in time with your breath if you like. Inhale as the knees go to the right. Exhale as they go to the left. And start to really slow down your breath as you go from side to side. The next time the knees go over to the right side, pause here. Close your eyes. Just let yourself be still. Take the knees over to the left side, and we'll pause here. Make any adjustments you need before you can be still. And lift the knees back up. Extend your legs and relax your arms by your side to settle in for Savasana. Let your legs externally rotate and roll your shoulders down your back so the body can relax. And we'll stay here for the next minute or two of stillness to let the body recharge. Bring awareness back to your room, back to your body and your breath. And slowly hug your knees into your chest, giving your body a hug. Thanking yourself for showing up for this practice, for committing to this 30 days of yoga. Roll onto your side when you're ready. Take a moment or two here to adjust. There's no hurry. When you're feeling ready, join me back in a seated position. Just keeping the eyes closed for now. Rest your hands on your knees and sit up tall. And we'll finish by taking a deep breath in and a cleansing breath out. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. And open your eyes when you're ready. Thank you so much for your time and energy. I hope that this practice has left you feeling relaxed and recharged. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.